Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The butterfly haircut is beautiful and stylish choice for women over 40. It is soft, layered and adds a lot of movement to the hair. Today we will talk about butterfly haircut ideas and why this style is so popular for mature women. A butterfly haircut features long layers that frame the face and flow naturally. The layers give the hair volume, texture and a youthful balance. This haircut works well for all hair types, straight, wavy or curly. One of the most haircuts is that it highlights facial features. The layers around the face draw attention to the eyes, cheekbones and jawline, creating a flattering and elegant look. It softens the face and adds a gentle feminine touch. For women over 40, this haircut is perfect because it is low maintenance. The layers grow out naturally and still look stylish without needing trims. It saves time while keeping your hairstyle fresh and modern. Butterfly haircuts also pair beautifully with bangs. Sideswept bangs, wispy bangs or cotton bangs add softness and frame the face even more. They help hide forehead lines and give a youthful, relaxed appearance. This haircut works for both short and long hair. Short butterfly cuts add texture and volume, making hair look lively. Long butterfly layers give a flowing, elegant style that is perfect for parties, work, or casual days. Styling a butterfly haircut is very easy. You can blow dry for a smooth, polished look, use soft curls for a romantic effect, or leaves it natural for effortless waves. The layers move beautifully, giving hair a natural, airy feel. Another great advantage is butterfly haircuts suit formal events, casual, outgoing, and everyday wear. You can style it different depending on your mood on occasion, making it a practical or fashionable choice. Women when fine or thin hair will especially love this haircut. The layers create the illusion of volume and fullness, making hair look thicker and healthier. Even curly hair looks lively and bouncy with butterfly layers, adding color, highlights or enhance the butterfly haircut. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.